What's up, everybody? Welcome to Bad. Let's go. 7 big stupid bad to short video. City Joe radio up bad up the trend safe one time. My other two boys to bad down in our we together to visit up. So time to all bad. Everything is that sharp. I am so grateful that the feature is sharp. Wow, this is so 7D is there, and I always chasing out. That should be 打进去，拜拜。
Having the strength of the coastline brand, the president references certain members' tireless work in responding to 3 major hurricanes that hit the U.S. in recent
为了避免水的被打闭也大家把过去，这边为他是他被作为巴士是差，就地不会好。we see that the head this person is out. I went back, oh sweet, did you? I didn't spend that. I thought this trip would be pretty about different part of situation. And we say it could as a see we receive the word artist when I about surprise. But I am in full over it with so glad. What I did some work time.
That's talk at LarsLarson.com. And think about this. Those customers who've been with me for almost 20 years, they don't do it because
Oh, wow. Oh! Ah! Yeah, I see what I can try really.
GoTodayRamsey.com to find the real estate ELP.
Oh, right. I'm not sure the back about the order. You were the perfect out. I don't feel this. Where's your phone now? The fact shooting up 33 over 7. What is that? So that's the word of that with that. But this is not our own. First say we're artists. This is so good. I thought outside that I practice. You thought this is a bad person.
You guys get money barbecue out there. Sit at the table if you like. We have a little bit. What?
There's 2 ends for you.
Well, there you go.
You better know that you got me.
It's gonna take a minute.
Oh, I don't know which one that, Gavin, Graham? Gavin? Graham.
Perfect. Back in the day, you used to be able to drive your car, go into the last one.
Who's that?
Right now, Jamie said for $800.
That is quickly or you beat me up. Even KDP talk without baby, open sensitively. We play to keep one argue the ring of the ring before I find bad to section. So that repeating that and suppose. Be sure to see that trans by to you won't be out. See you for right.